Went to Mount Meager area. It's an old dormant volcano. It's decaying now. Lots of avalanches and rock slides in the area. You can see lots of gravel is coming from the mountain, from the peak. And at the bottom, since it's a volcano, at the bottom there is a hot spring. It's called Keyhole Hot Spring, or old name Pebble Creek Hot Springs. And I've been there 3 times, I guess. And also in the area there is a big waterfall. I mean, it's not tall, but it's a huge volume of water. It's kind of a sudden drop on the mountain. It's a cliff, and the Lillooet River is just coming with rushing through the gorge and falling straight into the abyss down below. I've been there a few years ago. I would say maybe 6-7 years ago, and I thought to take some nice pictures with my old camera. I wish I had like a high-res camera, but I had the old camera, and I tied myself to a tree. I can't give you detail because I don't want anyone to do that stuff. And I went kind of above, and I took some nice pictures. But now, since I have the drone, I thought I need to take a hike, drive to a trail, and launch the drone and takes beautiful imagery of the Keyhole waterfall. But since it's getting dark, it's after 5 o'clock, I'm in the mountains, and it's not good lighting for drone recording. I decided to stop here on the side of the road and get some adrenaline, because when you see your drone going far above the forest and above a gorge, and you know that if the propeller goes bad, so I have one of the props is one of the propeller is loose a bit, one of them. It's anyway, so you should not fly like that, like this one. It's a carbon fiber. I have a good quality propellers, but this is loose, and I thought, I don't want to fly with plastic ones. I'll fly with the light ones, which fly nice. So, but I thought, okay, I need to watch for bears. So I have my bear spray here. I have my satellite messenger, my emergency messenger, and I decided to fly it above that gorge, and kind of scary when you lose sight of the drone. So first you take it up in the air, and you see some dots. It was 300 meters up in the air, so I got some like a big high altitude scenery. So you can see lots of stuff, including the new power generation dam and hydroelectric power plant, and some glacier there. Then I saw the dot, and then your eyes kind of accommodate with the light of the sky. Then I dropped it slowly at kind of a forest level, and I lost sight of it because your eyes need some time for the retina and the iris to adapt to the new light. And I thought, okay, what is my drone? So I'm looking at the map. Of course I see it, but you don't see how far you are from the trees, and so then I look at the camera. I can see the camera. Okay, I'm on top of some trees. Well, I was safe, kind of. And then I start recording, and I kept it still. You have to keep it still, make sure you don't hit some trees, because if you hit a tree, it's very steep and you don't know where it goes. So good luck. And of course it's a bear country, it's getting dark, you don't want that. So I guess I have to copy the trend, and if you liked what you see and you want to give me some sort of a mental boost, kind of a feedback, subscribe, maybe, do whatever people do. Thank you, bye-bye.